Ever dreamt of building a consistent character across stunning AI-generated artwork, only to have them morph into someone entirely new with each prompt? The secret to making a consistent character in Midjourney lies in a strategic approach. And today, we're breaking down exactly how to achieve that crucial visual identity. First, let's talk about the magic of the seed number. When you generate an image, Midjourney assigns a unique seed by referencing this specific seed in subsequent prompts. You're giving Midjourney a powerful starting point for recreating similar visual styles and compositions. Next, hyperspecific descriptive keywords are your best friend. Instead of just a knight, use a stoic female knight with silver chainmail, a crimson cloak, and a weathered scar above her left eye. The more precise, the better for locking in those recognizable features. Now, the iterative refinement process. Generate an image you like, then use its seed number and slightly tweaked keywords or even a reference image to guide the next generation. Don't be afraid to regenerate multiple times, making minor adjustments each time. By combining these techniques, leveraging seed numbers, employing detailed character descriptions, and patiently refining your prompts through iteration, you can finally build that memorable, consistent character that stands the test of time across all your AI-generated masterpieces.